Welcome to Foxtail's Bulk Cross List. This is the perfect feature for when you want to cross list a lot of items all at once. Here's how it works. Begin by visiting the Listings tab in Foxtail. Click the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner and select Bulk Cross List. Next, select the markets where you would like your post to appear and hit Continue. Important to note, when using Bulk Cross List, if a listing was previously posted using Foxtail, a duplicate listing will not be created. If it's your first time using Bulk Cross List, you'll be prompted to create defaults, such as shipping preference. You can edit your defaults at any time by going to the Settings tab and tapping Cross Listing Defaults. Now back to Bulk Cross List. Choose the listings you wish to cross list. When you've made your selections, tap Continue. Foxtail's AI will generate drafts for your new listings based on the preferences set in your defaults. You can navigate away from the screen while your drafts populate. When your posts are ready, a summary screen displays your newly generated drafts awaiting review. Tap Continue. From here, you can approve all, reject all, or review your listings individually before posting. Tap the Review button to see the full details of each listing and make edits as needed. After reviewing, choose to approve or reject your listing. Approved listings will move to the Ready tab. When you're satisfied with your selections, tap the Cross List button to post your items across your chosen marketplaces. It's that easy. Remember, Foxtail evolves with your feedback. You can reach us anytime by hitting the question mark in the upper right-hand corner of the home screen.